Welcome to my channel, T for Tech. Do you also want to create viral structured images like this? Well, you don't need expensive software or paid tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you two powerful tools, and the best part is they're 100% free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create amazing, eye-catching images that can go viral on social
Google
media.
Chrome, and in the search bar, type mpquiz.com. This page will open. Scroll down a little and click on this image. After clicking, this interface will appear. Now, scroll down again and copy the prompt shown there. Now for the second tool. Again, open Google Chrome and search for Google Studio AI. Once opened, click on the three lines on the left side, then scroll down and click on Generate Media. After that, click on Try Nano Banana. This tab will open. Now click on the plus icon, then select Upload File and upload any image you want. After a short wait, your image will be uploaded. Now paste the prompt you copied earlier. Wait a few seconds and your image will be generated and ready. Finally, download it from there.